You guys remember the brand new Bentley that I detailed in the spring? The black Bentley. A lot of comments on that video, a lot of negative comments. All the professional detailers came out of the woodwork to comment on that video. If you remember, I said this brand new Bentley will probably be replaced by Christmas. That was in the springtime. Well, it's Christmas. Hey! But we're not working on this one today, we're working on this one. G550. Gonna do a full detail on this one today. This thing's absolutely filthy. Filth. Probably gonna take me 10 hours, maybe 12. I'll probably charge 150 bucks or so. Might take me even longer. I've got I got my tent all set up. I'm gonna camp out here tonight if I don't get it done today. Spend the night, work on it some more tomorrow. Guess I better get started taking the seats out. Everybody knows you're not a professional detailer unless you take the seats out. I'll start the stopwatch here. 10, 20 hours, here we come. finished. What we got? See that? All finished. If you're triggered by money, look away now.